Connecting your PS4 to a laptop using an HDMI cable, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. In today's discussion, we are going to delve into the essential steps needed to connect your PlayStation 4, PS4, to a laptop using an HDMI cable. You might be wondering, is it necessary to adjust any settings on the PS4 or laptop before making the connection? Let's find out.
Do I need to make adjustments on the PS4?
Initially, when setting up your PS4 for connection, there is usually no need to make any specific adjustments. However, to ensure the best experience, you may want to double-check your PS4's resolution settings. 1. Navigate to the Settings menu on your PS4. 2. Go to Sound and Screen, Video Output Settings. 3. Here, ensure that your PS4's resolution matches your laptop's screen resolution. For most modern laptops, this would be 1920 by 1080. Remember, your PS4 should automatically adjust its resolution to match your laptop's when connected, but it's always good to verify.
Do I need to adjust settings on my laptop?
The same goes for your laptop. Typically, you do not need to make any preemptive adjustments. However, to ensure a seamless connection, you may need to adjust your laptop's input source. Depending on the model and the type of laptop you own, the steps may vary slightly. But generally, you would 1. Navigate to your laptop's display settings. 2. Look for an option labeled Multiple Displays or Project. 3. Choose the appropriate option to allow input from your PS4. Usually, this is labeled as Second Screen Only or Project to this PC. Make sure to consult your laptop's user manual or manufacturer's website if you have trouble finding these settings. And there you have it. Setting up your PS4 and laptop for connection via an HDMI cable is generally straightforward, with minimal adjustments needed. However, remember to verify the resolution settings on your PS4 and adjust your laptop's input source to guarantee a successful connection. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your gaming station. Enjoy your gaming experience.